Hello and welcome to the channel. In this box I've got the components I need to create an electric Morris Minor. But despite having Morris on the box, that's actually nothing to do with Morris lubricants. Instead, what we've got is a rather wonderful 1:10 scale Morris Minor Traveller plastic body shell, which is going to be mated to this Kamtec Model Sport hot rod RC kit. The Kamtec are based here in the UK and they design and manufacture all of their own chassis and body shells as well. And because they're well known in the Banger Racing series, they've got some really wonderful options in terms of different kind of body shells. So I was really pleased to see a Morris Minor Traveller available. I bought their starter kit, which provided everything you need to construct and run a complete car. Now, I've got to be honest, when it first turned up, not everything was included in the box, including any instructions. However, a quick phone call and instructions were emailed across and the missing parts were dispatched. So I've got everything I need now so we can start putting it together. The instructions are quite basic. It's just an exploded diagram, but I think I should be able to follow this okay. Now, the starter pack is not cheap, but all the parts do look like extremely good quality. So let's see how it goes. Servos in, we've got the speed controller, electronic speed controller, don't know where that goes, doesn't say at the moment. Battery, by the looks of it, fits in between two brackets. I can't fit the other one at the moment because the stands for those are actually different lengths. I'm going to double check, but I'm assuming it's okay to cut one of those down. The engine, motor rather, I'm assuming is going to fit in there, like so. But the instructions do say, please see additional sheet for motor pod assembly, which I don't have, but I'm just pretty sure it's going to be fairly straightforward. Looks like I've got to do some soldering from here to the back of there as well, which be interesting because my soldering's not great. So there it is, completely assembled now. Battery is held in with a rubber band, so really simple. I've used some double-sided tape on the speed controller and the receiver. Everything is now mated, the controller set up, the receiver and transmitter is all working fine. I did have to drill the servo saver to put the screws in at the front because the design of this has now changed apparently from the instructions. Transmitter wise, a lot of people go with the stick, the small one with the handheld with the wheel on it. I cannot get on with those at all, so I've gone with the old school stick transmitter, but I'm really happy with that. Next thing now is to get the body in place, and roughly it's going to sit like that. And I just think that looks so cool already. I mean, it looks cool in the clear. So do I just leave it as it is? I mean, I love it. I just love that. It just looks really good. If I do paint it, which I am going to paint it, there's a lot of masking to do because there's a lot of detail. Obviously there's chrome around the lights, around the doors as well. I've got a different color grille, then I've got the wood, and then of course you've got the body color. Now I can't use normal car paints on this because of the type of body it is, so matching my car color is not going to be straightforward, but I gotta say I am so pleased with that. So pleased with it. Now I do have to say that I did struggle a little bit with some of the setup here, mainly down to my own stupidity, but I did have to put a call into Kamtec, and Keith came to my rescue and talked me through it. So I've really got to give him a shout out and just say thank you very much for helping me out. But I am really, really pleased with this, and I can't wait to the next stage. And I think that's going to be the hardest part. So I think I'll leave that there. I think I'll do a separate video doing the body, fitting it, and then for the first drive as well. So I hope you've enjoyed that little construction video, and thanks for watching. Until next time, cheerio.